Welcome to my YouTube channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of Xara Designer, a powerful tool that's making waves in the design community. Whether you're a graphic designer, web designer, or just someone looking to create stunning visuals, Xara Designer has something for you. So, let's get started. First things first, when you open your Xara Designer software, we have the working space where all your works are being displayed. On the top side, we have the menu bar and the option panel, a horizontal menu at the top of the main Xara Designer window that lets you customize a tool. At the left side, we have the editing tools panel. There are 13 main groups of tools, separated by functionality on the tools panel. At the bottom side, that's where different colors for your projects are being displayed. You can also click on the color editor to create your own colors of your choice. On your left down side is where the pages and layers are being displayed. You can click on the New Page button to create a new page or click on the Duplicate Page button to duplicate your page. Click on Delete to clear the page. And on your left top side is the Design Gallery, where you can find templates of designs, components, modular websites, freeform websites, social media, and more. If you find this tutorial useful, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment at the comment section. In my next video, we will learn about the tools and their use. Thank you.